Welcome back for another edition of our 90-second spotlight. Today we're talking about vocabulary dominoes. You may be asking, what are vocabulary dominoes? Before we jump into the strategy of vocabulary dominoes, let me give credit where credit is due. I saw this strategy shared during an NC Ties session this year from a gentleman named Adam Cobb. He was amazing. He's a digital integration specialist from South Carolina. So, what I like about this strategy is it utilizes two tools that we're familiar with within the Google workspace. So, it utilizes Google Slides, and we're going to utilize a Google Drawing, both of which we have access to. So, you can see an example, and you'll have this template here. So, this strategy plays off the idea of dominoes. And so you'll notice that here is a vocabulary definition and here is a vocabulary word. And all I'm doing is I'm matching these up. Place value chart, a tool for labeling the periods and places of a number, a digit, and there's the definition. So next I would look for comparing and what is the corresponding definition. And I'm going to match those up until I match them all, right? Till I have them all in order. And I may, as a student, need to turn some of these to get it to fit all on my screen. Thanks for watching another episode of our 90-second spotlight. If you want to learn more about vocab dominoes, then I encourage you to check out the bit.ly above. It'll have the template for the Google Drawing. It'll have the example Google slide deck in there, and then some kind of tips, tricks, how to things in there as well. So check it out. Thanks again.